How to enable or disable Apple Music on iPhone. To get started, first of all open up the Settings application on your phone. In the Settings page, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. Once you're here, search for or scroll down to find Music and tap on it. This is the Music Settings page. On this page, you can adjust settings like EQ, sound check, Dolby Atmos, and audio quality. You can also find deeper audio adjustments, like headphone accommodations and more. Here, go to the Apple Music section and turn on the Show Apple Music feature. You will now find millions of songs, expert recommendations, and your entire music library all in one place. You can also turn off this feature from here whenever you want. Following these steps, you can easily enable or disable Apple Music on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.